just sitting beside on a rock there, just beside the river there. And I've been doing a walk and meditation, and now I'm sitting down and just relaxing here. And what came to mind today was about the animal kingdom, and I know the last day I mentioned that plants live in harmony and nature seems to live in harmony, but there are times, obviously, that we have known from media and from even watching birds that they do fight with one another as well. And we can see that sometimes in nature, in out in the wild, when they're looking for food or for some other reason. So it does happen too, and it makes me wonder, is that a natural instinct in them, or is it something they've learned from human consciousness and have adapted it into their own kingdom? And kind of what's coming to me is that it's never been their true nature. And what came to mind there was the lamb and the lion, that picture that I seen lying down together when I was out in Israel. Actually, I seen it on a door. I took a picture of it where there was a lion and a lamb lying down together, and just in perfect harmony. So I think maybe in the beginning of creation, when animals were introduced into this earth, that it was that way in harmony, and somehow it got lost over time. And you do see the odd fight here and there with them, but I think it is kind of it makes sense that it wouldn't be a natural instinct for them, because I don't believe it's a natural instinct for human beings either to do that. um, um, and I think it's more that it was a learned behavior that came about through the mental mind. And because when you think about nature, why would you create um, you know animals that would just go against each other and kill each other off, or fight and injure each other? It doesn't make sense, because creation is all about the flow of life and about living and about growing. And so it doesn't make sense that that would be a built-in kind of gene into their system. So that's kind of what came to mind there today. So it's something to think about, to ponder on, definitely. But yeah, my gut instinct is saying that it wasn't, that kind of behavior is learned behavior, and it's not a natural instinct that has come true from our creation, and that goes for both animals and humans. So yeah, it's interesting.